In this video, we'll cover the three agent types: cloud, enterprise, and endpoint, what each one is best for, and how to set them up. But first, what's an agent? In ThousandEyes, an agent is the software component that runs tests and collects data about network and application performance. Think of it as your point of view into the network. Wherever you install an agent, you get visibility from that location. Enterprise agents are owned and managed by your organization and live inside your infrastructure. They're ideal for monitoring internal or SaaS applications and for visibility between sites. You can deploy them as virtual appliances or Linux packages. They can also run on supported Cisco networking devices, in Docker containers, or as virtual machines in IaaS environments like Amazon, AWS, and Microsoft Azure. Cloud agents are managed by ThousandEyes. They let you test performance from many geographic regions and across different transit and ISP networks to your applications and services. There's no deployment needed on your side. Just select the locations in the UI and run your tests. Endpoint agents are installed on user devices like laptops. They provide insight into device hardware utilization, local network performance, and the user experience of internet web applications. They can also monitor collaboration apps to detect issues that affect meetings. Endpoint agents are available for Mac OS and Windows, mobile devices, and compatible Cisco collaboration hardware. Let's explore each agent type in more detail and walk through the setup step by step. In the Network and App Synthetic section, under Agent Settings, you'll find everything related to cloud and enterprise agents. First, let's look at the assigned account group. Some agents might be tied to a specific group. If you want to see all of your enterprise agents, remove the filter. Now you have the full list of deployed enterprise agents. You can search by keyword, select an agent directly, or filter by categories like status, location, or operating system. From the agent list, you'll quickly see key details like the agent's name, its host name, its utilization rate, and its connection status. When monitoring enterprise agents, you'll want to focus on two key health metrics: utilization percentage and status. Agent utilization tells you how long tests are waiting in a queue before they run. The percentage displayed is the highest value across all queues used by that agent. A lower percentage means there's more capacity for running tests. Hovering over the value shows more context by test type, and clicking provides detailed utilization insights. Agent status is color-coded. Green means online, red means it's offline, and yellow indicates it's online but with a warning. There are several categories of deployment options for enterprise agents: Cisco devices, virtual appliances, Linux, and Docker. Agents can also be clustered, which is a great way to redistribute the load among them. We recommend clustering agents that are in the same infrastructure and region. When a test is assigned to a cluster, the agents with the lowest utilization will run that test. Clusters are especially useful when a single agent is running more tests than it can handle. By distributing test traffic across multiple agents, you increase both capacity and redundancy. It is possible to create notification rules which help you measure agent health and make sure you're alerted if something goes wrong. You can set up a rule to notify you if an agent hasn't checked into the platform, monitor clock offset, or if the agent version is outdated. Cloud agents are fully set up and managed by ThousandEyes, so they're ready to use right away. New cloud agents are constantly being added to the ThousandEyes infrastructure. You can organize and select agents in different ways. For example, if you need to run a test from New York, simply search for that location and view the list of available agents. Then select the one that fits your needs. In the cloud agent list, you'll see each agent's name along with details such as its location, the provider, and whether it supports IPv4 or IPv6. Endpoint agents are installed directly on user devices to provide last-mile visibility. They run tests when users visit specific domains, capturing user experience data. They can also monitor collaboration applications. Endpoint agents are available for Mac OS and Windows, mobile devices, and compatible Cisco collaboration hardware. In the Endpoint Experience section under Agent Settings, you'll find detailed information like the agent's name, version, whether the browser extension is installed. and its public and private IP addresses. Keep in mind that the number of endpoint agents you have installed impacts your license count. At the top right of the agent settings page, you'll see agent status. This setting lets you control the behavior of inactive agents. You can define how many days an agent remains active before it is turned off or removed, and how long a disabled agent should wait before being re-enabled. The agent list provides details about each device, including agent name, operating system, version, browser extension status, and current location. Filters make it easy to organize and view the list based on your needs. When you select an endpoint agent, you can review the assigned and running tests. Additionally, agents can be reassigned to a different account group. If another team needs to manage the agent, simply use the transfer ownership option, specify the target account group, and complete the transfer. There are two types of endpoint agents: the standard endpoint agent and endpoint agent Pulse. The main difference is that Pulse cannot collect browser session data, while the standard endpoint agent can. Deployment is simple. Endpoint agents are available for Mac OS and Windows, mobile devices, and compatible Cisco collaboration hardware. To monitor pre-configured domains, a browser extension must also be installed. Currently, 3 browsers are supported: Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Microsoft Edge. There are several installation methods. You can download the installation package directly using the download button. You can also generate a download link and share it with the user for self-installation. In larger environments, the package can be distributed through group policy or software management tools. That wraps up our overview of cloud enterprise and endpoint agents in ThousandEyes. Thanks for watching.